Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This is Joseph here. Today I'm going to unbox something which I just got. This is the iPad 9th generation. The iPad 9th generation, I bought the base unit with the 64 gigabytes of RAM and only the Wi-Fi version, not the cellular version. Okay, let's unbox this thing. Okay, no pull tab. Fine. Okay. Okay, the box. Okay, now. And here is the iPad. I'll put that aside for a moment and see what else is in the box. Okay, we have some instruction books. Let's see, what do they have here? The iPad instructions, different languages, right? More instructions. Oh, and 2 Apple stickers, white. Okie doke. Now this one I'll just put it aside. Now what else do we have in the box? Okay, this is going to become a rarity soon. A power brick in the box. Cool. A UK plug. And then a USB-C to Lightning connector. Okay, I'll just put it aside. Now, what I got today was actually the space gray version of the iPad 9th generation. As you know, the iPad 9th generation is rocking Apple's A13 chip. Right? iPad. And turn around. Beauty. So what you have here is the volume rocker, the power button. You still have a headphone jack, which is not available in all the other iPads. Like unfortunate Lightning connector, and of course we have Touch ID. All right, let's power it up and see where we go from here. The Apple logo. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, and that here is the iPad 9th generation. Please do like and subscribe and leave a comment below for more videos. Thank you for watching, and here's Joseph signing out.